Hi, this is Miss Park. This video is called Solving Linear Systems Graphically. So just going to remind you what a linear system is. A linear system is when you have two lines happening at the same time. Usually when you have two lines happening at the same time, they're going to cross at a point. And that point is called the point of intersection, or POI. These two lines are crossing at one point of intersection. Okay, so there are a couple other possibilities. If two lines are on the grid at the same time, will they always cross at a point? So the answer is no, because you could have two lines that are on the grid at the same time that are parallel, and so then they will not cross at all. So we say they have no points of intersection. And the other option is that you could have two lines that sit on the grid at the same time that are exactly one on top of the other. Okay, one on top of the other. So they're really the same line. And that we say has infinitely many points of intersection. Okay, infinitely many, POI, because they are the same line. So you have three options: one point of intersection, no points of intersection, or infinitely many points of intersection. But graphing linear systems means that we're actually going to draw the lines and then read the point of intersection off of the graph. So quick review how to draw a line or how to graph a line. Equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. So in the first example, y equals 2/3 x minus 1. We start with y-intercept of -1, so we make a point on the y-axis at -1. And then the slope is 2/3, so 2 is the rise, and 3 is the run. So from my first point, I go up 2 and to the right 3. Up 2 and to the right 3. Same thing on the other side. I'd have to go down 2 and to the left 3, just to continue the pattern on the other side. Down 2 and to the left 3. And now I have points in a line. I use a ruler, even though I'm not using it right now, but you should. Make the line really long, past the grid, arrowheads at the end, and then we write the equation of the line next to the arrow. Okay, that's the first line. The second line, y equals -x minus 6. The y-intercept is -6, so I'm going to put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hold on, I'm counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's over here. And my slope is -1/1. So see that -1 there? That's really -1/1. It's invisible, we don't see it, but then we can write it as a fraction, so we can see that the rise is -1 and the run is 1, which means from my y-intercept, I'm going to go down 1 and then 1 to the right. Down 1 and 1 to the right. On the other side, up 1 and 1 to the left. Okay, and like this, and continue the pattern, and we see that these two lines are actually crossing. So I'm just gonna, make this line. Okay, let's see if I can draw the line. So I'm gonna make the line down here, and then up here. Okay, arrowheads at the end. Write the equation of the line. And there's your point of intersection. We can read it. It's -1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3. So the POI is the point -3, -3. Okay, and then the second example is the same. Now, if your line is not given in this form, so let's say your line is given in a different form, like standard form. So if line is not y equals mx plus b, so for example, if we gave you 2x plus 3y minus, 24 equals 0, you need to convert to y equals mx plus b by rearranging the terms and then graph. Okay, so please practice, and that is your solving linear system by graphing. Thanks for watching.